Look at how it's gonna cut.
See, do the hairline. I actually use it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I use it, bro.
What? You're a beginning barber. I'm not big on clippers, you guys. I started with Wahl 20 years ago. Louis is keeping this one.
For real?
Yeah.
All right, well, right off the bat, what I will say, I'm not too crazy about... We getting podcast ready.
Were you recording?
Oh, I thought you were about to sit on my lap, bro.
You're recording her?
One of the most important parts, obviously everybody wants to know, which you could just look this up online, but how much they cost. 1, 2, 20, 5, 6, 7, and some change. 227 and some change for a clipper that a lot of people like. I see barbers who are six-figure barbers and they're using these, which are the freaking almost cheapest clippers you could get, and then the trimmer and everything else. So not a bad deal. Dude, that's the price of that I paid for my Babyliss Low Pro FX1s.
Just one.
Just the clipper itself.
If you buy corded ones, you could buy a whole set.
Jerry's gonna try to convince y'all to get some corded clippers. Boom. So as you all can see, we got the premium Wahl Professional 5-star series Magic Clip, the Black Edition. I believe that's what it's called.
Another clipper. That's
Just
all it
another
is.
clipper. So Jerry Well, I'll let him tell you more about that. But you seen he did the unboxing. These are Jerry's clippers. So yeah, bro, what made you decide to get these clippers here?
All right, so this one I'm keeping. Louis is keeping this one.
Oh yeah, sheesh, for real?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. You keep that one.
Damn, son. I was about to get some of these. I ain't gonna lie. All right, well, right off the bat, what I will say is I'm not too crazy about how it doesn't have the clicks. The clicks just because I'm a beginner barber. Jerry don't give a damn about that because he knows where to put it. It's just muscle memory at this point.
That's what she said.
But for me, it just makes it easier to know like that I'm halfway, a quarter of the way, 3/4, but something to get used to now.
Hey, what happened? Have it.
Mike. Back in action. All right, so I like the way they feel. They're nice and light, and we could weigh them in a bit. Jerry said he has his scale. They do feel a little cheap, compared to the Babyliss Low Pro FX1s that I have. But they look cool. I like the black look. They got the gold on them, but they do feel a little cheap. I will say that. That's nice. I like these alone I think cost like 120 or 109 even. Maybe the black edition. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. But in my opinion, you can't go wrong with this clipper. Just from the price alone and from what everybody has said. Obviously, we're going to do the review and all that. Jerry's going to use them, see what he thinks. I'll use them.
Right,
oh, yeah, we'll do the string test. But what do you think, Jerry? Check it out, bro.
I think they're fine. I'm not big on clippers, you guys. I use what I use and what I have at the moment, and I started with Wahls. Wahls were my first clippers I ever used, and they were the Walmart brand. So
let them know when this was, though. How
20 years ago.
20
I'm
years.
31 right now, so
do the math.
Well, I told my dad I was just gonna pay him back for it when he bought me the first pair, and then paid him back. And then I want to say Magic Clips were like my second ones, I think. But they were the corded ones. Oh, the homie has one right here. This is a pink one, but these two are the same. And I don't know, the quality, how Louis said, I think it's just companies making them cheaper.
That's their way of being able to make it affordable.
That's it. But as long as they cut good, they're fine. My favorite thing about these, the screws.
You like those?
They're black. That's it.
I thought there was going to be some like technical reason or something.
They're never black.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
They're all chrome, but
that's true. Well, Jerry, he also sharpens blades too, so I thought he was gonna say something about that.
No, I mean I don't know how they cut, but most of the sharpeners don't like it when it's coated like this. But no, everything's good. I don't like that blade though, the staggered blade that they use. It's cool, I guess. I haven't bought clippers in a while.
As you guys will come to find out, the more you follow the channel, the more you subscribe to the channel and watch the videos, Jerry is old school. Even though he can afford any clipper he wants, he still sticks with his corded clippers for a reason, which he'll tell you guys.
We'll do a video on that, but they're all the same. Unless I get sponsored, then I could say
He's telling you right now that he's gonna sell out, just so y'all know. I like it though. Overall, aside from the cheap feeling of it, which is understandable because they are super affordable, yeah, they feel good.
Has like little ridges right here about.
There's
fingers,
little ridges.
but that's about it.
For your fingers to go. Dope. Okay, what about
I wish they came with all of the guards though.
Yeah, they
used to come with all of the guards. Right now, this one just has a half, a 1, and a 1.5. Which, if you're big on clipper over a comb, that's all you need.
Yeah.
But when you're a beginning barber,
you're gonna need more than that.
You need more than that.
And whatever these things are.
These other, nobody ever uses these.
What is that?
They're guards for these.
Oh, what the heck? I've never seen that. Trimmer guards? For like mustaches and stuff?
Your pubes.
Huh?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That would work good though, honestly, on a mustache.
Yeah, the reason why we don't when you get experience, you don't use them because you just figure out how to use that. But as a beginning barber, these would be great.
Hell
when you have to trim down eyebrows, beards, mustaches,
little tight areas. I kind of.
It's a 1. I wonder if they're the same though, like the same.
Yeah, we should test it on somebody's mustache.
Yeah, but I doubt it. Can't use me, Louis.
You look like you could grow a mustache, bro.
Hell no.
You got a little something there. We get 20 likes. Jerry has to grow his mustache
Nah,
out.
it's impossible. And then these would be one of my favorite trimmers overall out of all of them. Not the same one. It's just as long as it has this blade. This blade I like.
Jerry got this whole little combo just for these trimmers.
Just for these, I wanted these. I have my corded one over there, but I broke it. And I'm only getting these now because we're going to start doing a lot of events. And I don't want to take my whole little setup that I got to take because my corded clippers run off of this thing that I use to give it more power.
Which y'all will see later. That's a secret.
Until we get a trailer, a mobile barber shop, and they'll be back to my corded. And then I'll go buy a whole trailer just to use my corded clippers.
Jerry loves those corded clippers, bro.
And it's
his
just that
secret
thing.
weapon.
It's just that thing. You guys will see.
So if it wasn't for that little thing that you're talking about, you would switch to
Yeah.
cordless? Yeah.
I would if I didn't have that thing. For sure, I would switch over. But these are pretty cool. They're the same as the other ones. They're just a little bit longer.
They
but-
feel the same body, same everything?
Yeah, they're pretty strong too.
Are the other ones plastic?
Yeah, same plastic. But these are pretty good. I like these. I feel like those are made better than these for some reason.
Yeah, these do feel a little more heavy duty. To
And
be
these are
honest.
pretty strong too, but
See, do the hairline. Oh, dang. Fresh out the box. It's
these
actually-
need a little bit closer. Those are pretty good.
It comes pretty close, huh?
Yeah, those are pretty good.
I don't think anymore.
No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't mess with those.
These come pretty much zero gap.
These I would get closer.
I like that, what you did with the ASMR thing you went.
And these are pretty tough. It's pretty.
These are specifically for this, or can you use that for when you're doing hair
People
too?
use them. They're supposed to be for your clippers, but some people like it
For your hair.
Yeah, when they're cutting.
Yeah, it
hair.
has a good feel. Comes with the brush, nice brush, the premium guards.
Your
These-
oils that you're never gonna use.
I actually use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I use it, bro.
What? You're beginning barber.
Just give it some time, huh?
That's it. Then you forget about it.
Mars uses it.
Tinox. Mars uses it.
Yeah, Mars uses it.
I don't know. I never use mine. I just cool care and.
Cool
let's
care.
go.
Go in semi-lubricated.
And this is like standard Wahl.
I got one of those.
Some people swear that they're made because you could clip them on like this. Watch it.
Oh, look, Jerry's already gonna break his comb.
No, but you can't do it. See, you can't do it with these. You can only do it with the other ones. You could clip it on and it stays on. Some people swear that Wahl
For
made
clipper over comb?
Yeah, but no. Just putting
Oh,
those.
so that's what this little ridge is for?
Yeah, supposedly so it could clip in.
Makes sense.
But yeah, that's it.
And then your little charger. And
I
so,
wish it came with a little like
oh, a stand, huh?
stand. Yeah.
That's one thing that it didn't come with. So it has up to 100 minutes of run time. What you think about that? Is that pretty good?
Yeah.
The wide trimmer guides, premium cutting guides, clipper crunch blade technology. Crunch. Jerry doesn't like the crunch.
They use that because they know they suck at sharpening.
Jerry's a sharpener. I'm telling you guys. Everybody swears by the crunch. Like which clipper? I've seen videos of people
Yeah.
saying which clipper has the most crunch. But Jerry says that's not a good thing
It's not a good
in the
thing.
clipper in the sharpening world. Which makes sense because the more dull, the more sound. You know.
That's how it is.
Which we're about to do the
I'm gonna
test
bring the-
with how sharp these are.
Some clippers you can't use them while you charge them. This one you can. So I prefer clippers that you could do this to, especially for beginning barbers, because you'll forget to charge your clippers. There's other ones that you can't.
This is giving me podcast vibes. Stay tuned for I'm not going to say the name yet because I don't want nobody to steal it. It's a dope name. It's probably not going to be anytime soon just because there's so much stuff going on. But once things are flowing and everything's more, to where it needs to be, podcast. Oh, and another thing it came with, Jerry was just going to throw this thing out. But I was like, bro, I'll keep that. I still use mine from some Walmart clippers that I got when I was like a little kid.
I think he
Cut my
likes
hair.
it because he's been doing the events where he goes out and cuts for the Salvation and the
Yeah.
homeless and the. I
Jerry
don't do that.
doesn't, yeah.
I have my original first ever Wahl metal case.
Do you still have
I
it?
still have it.
You just save it?
Yeah. That one I would use it to go and cut hair at people.
Oh, they used to give you a metal case?
Yeah, a metal one. Like a
Damn.
little aluminum metal looking one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I still have it.
I like it just because I don't want my clippers or anything to get scratched, so I just put it in that.
Yeah, let's see if I don't take care of my shit.
I do. I take very good care of my stuff.
But yeah, they're pretty good. I just wish that more stuff would come in it.
So I don't know how much comes in when you just get this. if you get more guards or not, we'll show you right now. I'll check on the website. But yeah, that's what you get when you get.
They did come with more, but no.
Yeah, I seen it only came with 3. So you don't mess with these?
I don't like them.
Nah, cause Jerry's he's a sharpener,
Just go
so he
like
knows.
this, like this, and you go like this.
Yeah, we'll do more videos like that and
Of how to set.
yeah, how to set and all that. But it also comes with this.
I want to say
It's
these
pretty
are
cool.
overlapping. Though.
Look like a little sword.
Look at probably the guy in the factory used these to set it, and it's overlapping.
Is it? It's pretty
Hold
close.
up, let me see.
Literally like
A little bit.
they gave you some 0 gapped clippers. They
Like
know what the people
tiny
want.
bit.
They knew what the streets were asking for. Oh, but did we talk about how you've been cutting hair for 20 years and this is your first ever
Oh yeah.
unboxing?
This is my first ever unboxing video.
In 20
20
freaking
That I've been
years.
cutting hair.
It's crazy. I already did one in like literally weeks into cutting hair.
Yeah. For some reason, you can't find this string. I don't know where the sharpeners get it from. I'm pretty sure you could find out, but the sharpeners are very weird with their.
Gatekeeping.
Yeah, they're very, very, I don't know, gatekeepers like by a lot. They don't like to share their information at all. They're all old too, so maybe that's why. This corner's off a little bit. You see here, like,
Want to show them a little closer?
which is not bad. You probably won't notice it when you cut hair, but so if you guys could see
Just make sure they can see it.
this corner here, and look at how it's gonna cut. That's what you want, and look at this corner. I could even feel it like tug a little bit, but it's not gonna be too much where it's gonna change it, but everything else is cool. And then this kind of string is like a way they measure the sharpness of it, and then we use this like fake fur, which we need to order, and that measures the tension, if there's enough tension. But with these newer clippers, you don't have to worry about it so much because they put so much tension on it that you never run into a problem with that. And my theory is because their sharpeners suck.
Shots fired.
If they put this coating on here, I don't like it because it gets the sharpeners lazy. That's all it is. It helps it cut a little bit better, but if you sharpen it, send them to a good sharpener, they'll get you right.
AKA send them to Jerry.
The staggered teeth, I don't like them because they're not like thick enough, in my opinion, to when it comes to cutting hair.
Stay tuned for the hair cutting video with this and that and all the other videos.
Comment what haircut you guys want us to do with these clippers.
Yeah, more so for Jerry because I'm kind of
Tapers,
limited.
Flat tops, fades.
They want to see a flat top, bro. Who you gonna do a flat top on? You got clients that get flat tops?
No, but we'll do it like all the other influencers. Free haircut if you get a flat top.
There you go. Right there. If you want a free haircut and you want a flat top, come through.